What's up, guys? Special reveal. Look. ISC coilovers. I'm replacing my BR, the BC Racing BR series, I think they're called. No offense to them, they suck. Like, they suck. Maybe because like they're like Frankenstein, like I kept replacing all the parts, etc., instead of just buying a whole new coilover. But going to the track soon, so ISC. Every Subaru owner that I know runs these. Besides like a few of my friends, close friends, they don't run these. But every other big name person runs these or Fortunatos. I'm too broke for Fortunatos. But these are the next big, like, best thing. Look at the top hats. These things are thick. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, wait, it's at my face, right? I'm staring at my face. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Can you see it? Anyway, these are like just the N1 models, not with like the Swift springs. I think these are just 8Ks in the front and rear. Could be wrong. But these are also camber adjustable, obviously. Yeah, I'm gonna compare these with the BCs once I take them off. Not doing it tonight, I'm tired. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, it'll be in the same video. But like, these look good. They look so good. And they're like really light too. I could carry it around like this. The BCs are low-key kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie. And then, so that was the front. This is the rear. I hope they're not directional. They probably are, low-key. Probably shouldn't have thrown out the box. Oh well. Yeah, these might be directional, like left passenger and driver. Oops. But look how freely they spin. So smooth. The rears, they look the same as the BCs, so yeah, they look good. And then I got some SMY Performance. Lower control arms. I need the adjustability because the natural camber with the rear coilovers, I know I have a bump steer kit from Cobb. I know that helps correct the geometry, but I just need more adjustability because the look of the rears, they look good. You know, it has like a degree of camber, but I would like more, not like Hot Boy, but like more pushed out and with camber. So I have toe arms as well from SMY. But look, great quality. I know the new ones, they use aluminum. So yeah, they used to use steel from what I read, but now these are super light. These have to weigh like 5 pounds. And then I got their toe arms. They look so good. Because it's tracking my face, so I'm pretty sure it's this one. But they look so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna install these tomorrow with the control arms, with the coilovers. It's gonna be a lot. I'm also gonna ceramic coat them, even though it'll probably get blasted off by debris. SMY gave me these as well, new hardware for, I have the instructions. They email you instructions after you purchase them, which is pretty crazy. Like, that's actually awesome. As soon as I press buy, I got an email with the instructions. That's insane. Name a company that does that. Other than that, fast forward to tomorrow where we'll be installing it. So that's the next day. And we're gonna be adjusting preload. How do you adjust preload? Watch the quick tutorial on YouTube. So it's 5mm spacing between the actual spring, the lock collar, and the other lock collar. So let me just, oh, there's 2, okay. Okay. All right. So these are both 5mm. So, wait, is it this one? Or is it this one? Oh, yep. Hold on. Yeah. So we're gonna hand. Ow! Fuck you. I think I did that wrong. Let me check. All right. So just watch the quick tutorial again. So top collar for the preload. I did the 5mm, locked it, nice. So this coilover's all set. I think this is driver. Yep. Pretty sure I have to do the same for this one, no? Wait, lock it right here. Bro. Alright. So, good. Lock it. And then nice. Okay, so that's good. So that's God, it's like 90 out right now. Oops, sorry. All right, I'll get back to when I'm in front of the car. All right, guys. Sorry, it was raining, etc. Like today was just crazy, and I had to go do a bunch of stuff. Front coilovers are installed. I drove on it, felt great. Like the difference. I'm gonna put up some pictures of the BCs with the ISCs. Like huge difference. Drove on the front too. I had like horrible rattling, horrible everything, horrible ride, horrible bumpiness, everything. Like I hated those coilovers. Switch over to the just the front two. I'm doing the rears now, but I was driving on the front two on the ISCs. Huge smile on my face. Love it. And now I'm doing the control arms with the coilover over there, but it's on the bench up there. It's on the bench over there. But yeah. I'm gonna get these installed. It's actually really straightforward, swear to God. There's a bunch of tutorials online. I'm not gonna go into it, but super easy. Make sure you grease everything. I even grease the insides. No point, but might as well. Polyurethane bushings. You know, super simple adjustability for camber. I'll do the toe arms after everything's installed on here. Yeah, this is actually going super fast. Knock on wood. Yeah. All right, I'll check back in a second. All right. So this is the RCM. You can see that they laser sketched their name. Pretty cool. I think they're the exact same. Yeah, this is a modified Subaru one. Yeah. Yeah, it looks the exact same. They just like they sketched their name into it, but it's side by side. They look the same. Everything's the same. Backing. Let's see. Oh, I spilled oil. Damn it. Whatever. I'll wipe that later. Maybe the internals are different, y'all. Maybe. I really don't know, actually. But, yeah. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you. It looks the same. Yeah, I'm assuming it's just the internals. I would take the internals off, but like they packed it already, and like I don't feel like it. Sorry, but I trust RCM. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna get this slapped on.